Welcome back. Today we're going to take a look at the top 20 cryptocurrencies by market cap. We're going to start with Cardano at number 1, followed by Tron, Avalanche, SHIB, Link, BCH, UNI, and then we're ending with Leo at number 20. Let's get straight into it. ADA against BDC. We are at the very bottom. Not very bottom. Very close to the bottom, potentially. Offer big ABCDE. Potentially, right? So there could be something up the sleeves of IOHK Charles. We're still wondering whether if the whales are going to clear these lows first though, right? Before staging maybe a big recovery, or could we even clear everything? Not too sure. The point is, as long as we are under the skinny pink line, we will remain with a bearish bias for ADA BDC. Against USD, ADA has hit targets at 34 cents. We had a target over here. We noticed, hey, this is a descending triangle. Bam! We dropped to 34.5 cents. After that, there is some rally coming on, and the question we're asking is this the bottom? Could we start maybe a reversal? Yeah, no, we don't see it yet. So at this point of time, we are already under the skinny pink line, right? So yeah, our bias is really bearish for now. So I would preach caution about rushing into the euro, into a long for ADA, right? If anything, there's just no trade for ADA, not at this point of time. So I would preach caution about rushing into anything for ADA at this point of time. Tron against BDC, we are still in an accumulation phase. We are still, within the confines of the resistance and the support over here, right? It's just zipping in and out and in and out and in and out, within this range. With the skinny pink line as a guide, we've also been snaking around it, snaking up, snaking down, snaking up, down, up. There's just nothing much you can do for Tron. Against USD, Tron is still clearly above the skinny pink line, but could the end be near, right? Could it be near? Not too sure. We're not too sure. If you had to count waves, right, this could be a 1, this whole thing is a 2, up for a 3, 4, another 1, 5. Yes? Or this could already be it, right? This whole thing could be a rising channel, and we could be heading lower. Again, the moment we touch the skinny pink line, right, we will be switching our bias to bearish. But as it stands, potentially Tron could still go a little bit higher. So yeah, I still don't expect us to take out the highs over here though. We could still go a little bit higher, but yeah, the point is nothing much for us to do with for Tron. AVAX against BDC. Here we are for AVAX. AVAX is under the skinny pink line. Against BDC, if you look very carefully, this whole thing is potentially, right? And A, B, C, D, E. Potentially doesn't mean it's going to happen. We could still drop all the way down, clear the lows over here first before seeing any sort of a recovery, right? But as it stands, yeah, the potential remains. But we need to see a bottoming first though. So we don't see a bullish reversal for AVAX VDC yet. Against USD, yeah, we're under the skinny pink line. And we've hit the targets over here at $23.80. After that, we formed a hammer. Could this be it? Not too sure. But the point remains that we're under the skinny pink line. So which means that things are already switching bearish for AVAX. So our bias is bearish for AVAX. The moment you cross the skinny pink line, that's a very bad sign. Doesn't mean we can't rally a little higher, but this is not good. So yeah, I will preach caution. I will definitely preach caution about rushing into anything for AVAX. We stopped at the noisy area over here. Look at this peak, the hammer. But the point is we hit targets. So yeah, there was a rising channel. Preceding trend, bearish. Subsequent, bearish as well. $23.80. Shiba Inu, SHIB against USDT. So for Shiba Inu, we've also hit targets for Shiba Inu at 1530, right? We're at 1640, 1641. We're right on top of the skinny pink line. Sure, there is a hammer over here, but we don't like what we see. Sure, there could be a rally, but we've touched the skinny pink line. So that's not good. That's not good to us. We don't want to see that happening. Could we still rally all the way back? Of course. But do we see a bullish reversal? No. But we've hit targets though. So yeah. This Shiba Inu for you. Oh, this was a long one. 36%. Yep. Targets have been hit, but nothing much as well. No. Dot against BDC. Here we are for Dot. Anything for Dot BDC? Nope. Still in a very bearish trend. Yeah, I think there was a report that came out that Dot has been paying a lot of scam influencers promoting Polkadot. I'm like, what, Gavin? What's happening, Gavin? Dot against USDT. Here we are for Dot. Hey, target has been hit. 520. Here we are for Dot. Again, also a hammer over here. Just boop, boop, tap and rally. Anything for us to do for Dot at this point of time? No. Could we be reversing back up? Sure. But we're under the significant line. So, yeah, we're gonna run with a bearish bias. Again, I don't see the bottoming for Polkadot yet, so I would preach caution about doing anything for Polkadot. It doesn't look good to me, not at this point of time. Link against BTC. We have been going sideways for some time. Down, slowly going sideways, and then curving back up. Yes, no? But this could be 2025 though, when it happens. So we're not too sure about things for Chainlink against BTC. So, yeah, we're gonna have to move on to Link USD under the skinny pink line. Not good. Broskis and C-skis, this is not good. This is also looking something like a head and shoulders. It's not good. It's not good. Could there be rallies here? Well, we're under the skinny pink line. The moment you hit the skinny pink line, it's like, the warning is already here. And then eventually, we crossed it. So, yeah, that's Chainlink for you. Doesn't look good to me. Bitcoin Cash against BTC. Here we are for BCH. We are, okay, just like AVAX and just like ADA. There could be something over here though. Some sort of an accumulation, consolidation for the BTC pair. But we still need to see it rally back up. Right. Consolidate a little bit longer. Yeah, but it could be 2025 though. It could be 2025. This whole thing could be delayed to 2025. There may not be anything much for 2024. Against USD, okay, we're already under the skinny pink line. That's not good. That's not good. So could there still be more downside? Yeah, but we're quite oversold at this point of time. So yeah, no, there's nothing much for us to do for Bitcoin Cash. So stay safe. Uniswap. Okay, Uniswap is also very disappointing. Against BTC, we're still clearly under the skinny pink line. No signs of a life yet. You know, every time we break above it, we keep coming back down. Break above it, coming back down. Right. We took a peekaboo, but we came back down again. So it's not looking good for Uniswap, especially against the BTC pair, right? I mean, of course, this whole thing could be like a falling channel. Sure, we could be breaking higher, but doesn't look too good to me. Against USD, Uniswap, yeah, it's also not looking good over here. Right, this looks like a mountain. Second mountain, we could be getting a third mountain. We could be coming back down. Right, I think this target technically is still on, but all the signs are pointing bearish. We're continuously hitting the skinny pink line. So it's only a matter of time before we slip back down under the skinny pink line. So yeah, it's quite disappointing though. But it is what it is. So yeah, there you go. There you freaking go. Leo against BTC. Leo still looks okay. Look at this. We're rising against BTC. There was something like an inverse head and shoulders over here. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We're kind of out. Yes, no? It looks like a bull trap though. If you were to inverse it, right? Head and shoulders. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Skinny pink line, down. So I'm like, could you see this? Mountain 1, Mountain 2, Mountain 3. Something big coming on for Leo. There could be something coming up the sleeves of Paulo. Leo against USD. Here we are for Leo. Ending for Leo. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going up for a wave 5. You see that? Leo could be rising higher. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're still clearly above the skinny pink line though. Alright. Broke above it, stayed above it, rallied above it, again, stayed above it over here for wave 4. One more wave 5. And after that, we come down for a C. That's the expectation for Leo. Yes, no? Yeah, again, in terms of tradability, nothing much for us. Alright, boys and girls, that's it for today's top 20. Hope you guys enjoyed it. See you in the next one.